of juggling a dozen different apps just to catch your favorite shows or live sports? And nothing kills the weekend vibe faster than your stream buffering right during the biggest play of the game. Today, I'm breaking down an ultra-smooth, high-value entertainment setup that is hands down the smartest way to upgrade your streaming experience in 2026. We are talking about premium, buffer-free streaming. This supports crystal clear 4K Ultra HD, and the underlying system is fully optimized for pure, silk-smooth playback. No annoying lag, no endless loading circles. Whether you're having a cozy movie night with the family or gathering the crew for the big game, you are getting top-tier audio-visual quality. The best part? You don't need to overpay for expensive, dedicated hardware. If you've got an internet connection, it works seamlessly across your smart TV, PC, tablet, and phone, letting you switch screens effortlessly wherever you are. But what really sets us apart is our dedicated technical team. Not only do we bring you unbeatable value, but we also back it up with lightning-fast, one-on-one VIP support. Run into a setup snag or a playback glitch? Our team steps in immediately so you can kick back with zero hassle. Now, I know you probably want to see it for yourself to believe it. We are completely confident in our stability and service, which is why we're hooking you up with a totally risk-free trial. It is super simple. Drop down to the description box right below this video, click the link, and add our official WhatsApp. Just let them know you came from this video, and you'll instantly unlock a 24-hour full access test pass. That's right. Test drive it for a full 24 hours on us. See exactly how crisp that 4K picture is, feel how smooth the playback runs, and test out our premium customer support firsthand. Only when you are completely blown away do you decide to take the next step. We only have a limited number of 24-hour test passes available, so don't wait. Head down to that link right now, connect with your dedicated support agent, and get streaming the right way. If this video helped you out, smash that like button, get subscribed, and I'll see you in the next one.